At Milford Vascular Institute, patient safety begins long before the procedure itself. Every successful treatment starts with meticulous preparation. Our dedicated surgical team carefully prepares the procedure room, organizing tables, setting up advanced ultrasound machines, and connecting every device with precision because every detail matters. Clean, sterile sheets and proper positioning supports are placed to ensure each patient's comfort and safety. Every piece of technology is calibrated and synchronized to work seamlessly together, creating a safe and controlled environment for care. This level of preparation ensures each endovascular procedure is smooth, efficient, and effective, restoring healthy circulation and improving our patients' quality of life. We are proud to be Quad A accredited, meeting and exceeding all federal and state safety standards. This certification assures our patients that every extra step has been taken to protect them. At Milford Vascular Institute, your safety always comes first.